Number 1. 1942 Buick Special 48S Sedanette Coupe, $18,000, Mission Hills, Kansas. This 1942 Buick Special 48S Sedanette Coupe is a rare, one-year-only pre-war model, finished in its original Honolulu blue. Showing just 66,000 miles, this survivor remains in excellent condition and retains an impressive level of originality. Original features include the upholstery, wood graining, dashboard details, floor coverings, and even the original plastic window cranks and door handles. Power comes from an 8-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car runs and drives like new. Minor flaws include a worn driver's side door panel and a non-functioning radio and clock. With original documentation included, this Buick stands as an outstanding example of pre-war American automotive history. Number 2. 1954 Chevrolet 150 Tin Woody Wagon, 18th area, California. This 1954 Chevrolet 150 Tin Woody Wagon is a nicely renovated classic family hauler powered by a stock 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. Over $7,000 in documented upgrades have been completed, including brakes, suspension, muffler, tires, battery, radiator, and a 12-volt electrical conversion. The paint, interior, upholstery, and wood panels have all been refreshed and present very well. Although the odometer is currently not working, this wagon shows clear signs of careful ownership and is ready to be enjoyed. Number 3. 1969 Mercury Cougar Convertible, $18,900, Bellingham, Washington. This 1969 Mercury Cougar convertible is a well-equipped muscle-era luxury car powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Features include hideaway headlights, sequential rear turn signals, power steering, power brakes, power windows, bucket seats, floor console, tachometer, and a power convertible top with boot cover. Finished in blue and showing 56,800 miles, it benefits from an older restoration that still presents nicely. The car runs excellent and offers true turnkey open-top driving enjoyment. Number 4. 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 Hardtop Coupe, $18,000, Placentia, California. This 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 Hardtop Coupe is a largely original full-size classic, powered by a 352 cubic inch V8 and a Ford Hydromatic automatic transmission. It is equipped with power steering and a factory radio. The original green paint displays honest patina, with minor rust near the rear quarter panels. Updates include an aftermarket radiator and a Holley carburetor with electric choke, while the original parts are included. With current California registration and a clean title, this Galaxie is a solid driver quality survivor. Number 5. 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 Wagon, $18,000, Hillsdale, Oregon. This 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 Wagon retains its original V8 engine and automatic transmission, both running smoothly. Upgrades include an aluminum intake, 4-barrel carburetor, alternator, distributor, starter, and a complete electrical system with original components included in the sale. The front brakes have been upgraded to period-correct disc brakes. The interior remains in good condition with new carpeting, although the windshield has a crack. This wagon offers a strong combination of originality, practicality, and tasteful improvements. Number 6. 1966 Buick Riviera, $16,000 Washington. This 1966 Buick Riviera is powered by its original 425 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission and shows 66,000 miles. It runs and drives very well and remains solid and rust-free. The mostly original interior presents nicely, while the exterior features an older repaint with minor dents and scratches. The car sits low and would benefit from suspension work, but it remains enjoyable to drive. Riding on stock wheels with white wall tires, this Riviera delivers iconic mid-1960s Buick styling. Number 7. 1972 Plymouth Duster, $19,500, Surprise, Arizona. This 1972 Plymouth Duster is a desirable Mopar muscle car upgraded from its original 3.18 engine to a well-built 360 cubic inch V8 with aluminum heads and long tube headers. It is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and shows 60,000 miles. The car runs, drives, and shifts smoothly, with no leaks reported. Finished in bright orange, this Duster is ready for cruising or shows and continues to become harder to find each year. Number 8. 1972 Dodge Charger, $24,995, Bennett, Colorado. This 1972 Dodge Charger is a well-restored and highly optioned example, powered by a 3.18 cubic inch V8 built to 340 specifications and paired with a TorqueFlite automatic transmission. It has been repainted in its original light green metallic and features a new black vinyl roof. Equipment includes hideaway headlights, factory air conditioning that blows cold, power steering, power front disc brakes, rear window defroster, factory radio, and fender-mounted turn signals. With a rust-free undercarriage and original fender tag, this Charger both looks and runs excellent. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $22,500, Blaine, Minnesota. This 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a sharp personal luxury coupe finished in black with a fresh custom paint job. It is powered by a rebuilt 305 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission for smooth cruising. Features include Traeger SS wheels, upgraded LED lighting, and a modern Apple CarPlay touch panel radio. A new air conditioning system has been installed and only needs charging. With a clean title, this Monte Carlo makes a strong visual and cruising statement. Number 10. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Wagon, $21,900, Missoula, Montana. This 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Wagon is a rare performance-oriented family classic, powered by a small-block Chevrolet V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and a 4-speed manual transmission. It features dual glass-pack exhaust and adjustable rear air shocks. The car runs and drives well and has a great sound. While the paint and interior show amateur workmanship, they are presentable and make this wagon ideal as a driver or rolling restoration. Number 11. 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix 2-door Sport Coupe, $24,900, Salem, Oregon. This 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix is a highly optioned and well-preserved personal luxury coupe, powered by a 389 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, producing 303 horsepower, and paired with its original roto-hydromatic transmission. The exterior wears a high-quality repaint in cameo ivory and remains straight and clean. The original black bucket seat interior with console is in excellent condition, with all gauges working except the clock. Features include air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, tilt column, electronic ignition, original 8-lug wheels, and new white wall tires. This Grand Prix represents a top-tier example from Pontiac's golden era.